Hello, so this will be my first time installing a frontal wig, and I personally bought this wig because just in case I get to spoil it, at least I know, okay, it's just this, right? It has not, I was able to I was able to spray this side with a tint, and yeah, so this is how it looks like right now. This is how it is at the moment. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go on, I think I will try to pluck, and I don't know what to do, but let's just see how it goes. Wish me luck. So guys, I was able to straighten the wig a bit, and this is how it looks like now. But I just noticed that my hand dryer all burnt, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but I have to proceed. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I don't know if this is right. I'm trying to tint it again, so I pluck it a bit. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time, so let's see how it goes. I'm just trying to do it again because I stained it already. I mean, this might be messy. Let's just see how it goes. Messy, but because my hair is not well set, and like I said, I was thinking I will stop this video today. So let me try. So I'm going in with this now. This is it. So I'll kind of like spray it. Don't know, where is my hairline? I can't see. Guys, I don't really know what I'm doing exactly. Is this supposed? So I guess I'll just try to cut it and see what it looks like, even if it's not dry yet. So maybe I shouldn't have actually used this. Oh gosh, the fan. You know what? I guess I wouldn't be using this. I probably should have planned this well by looking for maybe getting another dryer or something. And my mirror, I really can't see now. I really can't see what I'm doing, so I hope I don't get to do what I wouldn't like. Right. So So I think I'll go one more time. Maybe spray. Please, I think you're supposed to use an hand dryer, not this fan. Now I clearly don't know what I'm doing. This over here because I know I'm supposed to give it like 3 flaps, so I don't know. I really do not know what to do. So finally, this is like after 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm really scared, honestly, because I feel like I can't see anything. I'm not even seeing the mirror, so it's making it. Oh. So we're supposed to cut this. It's looking like I'm about to cut my honestly, I feel like I'm supposed to be doing this close to the mirror because I can't see a thing. So I guess I'll just cut it off the mirror and come back. Hold on. So guys, I noticed I didn't get to bring the wig forward, and like I said, the mirror is just so far from me and I can't see a thing. So but this is it so far. So good. You know how this looks. For yeah, this is my first time. I'm trying to learn how to lay my frontal because I have some frontals I ordered and I'm not really a frontal person. I can literally say that I've only fixed frontal for like just 2 times, I would say. So that's on in my life, honestly. I'm not a frontal person. I don't know how you guys do it, but I just like something. I mean, I got like a lot of wigs, but you know, my black bone straight is something I'll run back to every time. So I hope you can rate me. I don't know how this is or how this looks. Am I supposed to put a pattern? I don't know, is this supposed to be a bob wig? I really do not know because it keeps getting curved. So far so good. This is what it looks like. I know I have a lot of work to do, so kindly tell me what to do in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for watching this, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.